Okay. Open this page. Open at page number 72. This page. Okay. Yesterday we completed this first two row. This one and this one. Up to this one we have completed yesterday. Today we will complete these last two rows. Okay. This row and this row. Okay. And those who were absent yesterday or not completed this two row, they can complete this today. Okay. I am showing you the full page. Okay. Look at this. Acha, as I explained up to this, today let me explain from this one. Okay. From this one. Acha, it is written 41 multiplied by 2. In your book, you will solve this today. Huh? In your book. Look, 2, 1, this is 1's place, this is 10's place. So 2, 1 is 2, then 2 4s are 8, 82. The same thing too. At first, we have to multiply by this 2 to 1's place. First 1's place, then 10's place, right? In 1's place, it is 1. So 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Then in 10's place, it is 4. So 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So this is the answer. The first one, is it clear to all of you? Okay. Good. Rahat, complete it fast. Now the second one, look at this. 14 into 2. Same thing. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. So by 2, we have to multiply this 4. 4 2s are first 8, 1's place done. Now by this same 2, we have to multiply this 10's place digit 1. 2 1 is 2. 28. Complete this. Acha, you have to complete this 2 row within 10 minutes. Huh? So write first. Then after this, you have to write some questions in your copy, okay, which I'll give some extra problem. Okay, so complete this first. Okay, now let me explain this one. 22 multiplied by 4. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. Okay, so if first 1's place we have to complete. 2 it is and it is 4. So now 4 2s are 8. Okay, now again this one. 4 2s are another 8. Okay, 88 is the answer. Complete this. I know most of the students already completed. They raised their hand. Okay, this one. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now let me explain this one. Okay. It is 26 and multiplied by 3. Look, it is carry forward multiplication. How? First 1's place we have to do. So this is 1's place, this is 10's place. Look, it is 6 in 1's place. So 3 6 are what? 6 into 3, 18. So this 1's place we are doing. So we have to put this 1's place digit over there, 8. And where this one will go? This one will be carry forwarded digit. Understood? It will carry forward. Now this one. 3 2s are 6 plus this carry forward digit. 7. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Again, let me explain this one. 26 multiplied by 3. Look, 3 6 are 18. So we have to put 8. Just like addition. If we are adding, after adding ones place putting, then tens place will be carried forwarded in tens place. The same thing, okay? Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now 3 2s are 6 plus this one. It will be 78. Okay, now let me check this carry forward multiplication. All of you understood or not? Rahat? Yes or no? Shake your head. Rahat, Atreyi, or Kopriya, Ritosri. Then Ankush, Swachatwa. Swachatwa, understood? Yes, okay. Rabiul, Jinia, Somriddho, Fatia, Spondon, Afroz Ali. Acha, Orindam Roy. Where is Orindam? Let me check. And Shaugato. Shaugato, understood? Zubair, no. Acha, Zubair, I am explaining again. Look at this. Acha, this one at first write it in your book. Then I am explaining. Okay, look. This one is also carry forward. So let me explain the next one. Okay. It is 12 multiplied by 5. Look at this. The same question, same type of, Zubair, look at this. Acha, at first, Zubair, let me unmute you, Unmute yourself, Zubair. Zubair, unmute better. Okay. Zubair, you have to respond, Look, I am explaining this one. Are you there, Zubair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at this. Just like addition, here we have to multiply. This is ones place. So, yes or no? This
Yes.
is ones. Okay, so 5 2s are 2 5s are 10 to. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so we will not put this 10 together. Okay, we have to put only the ones place. As this one is ones place, so here ones place 0. This tens place 1 will be carried forwarded to here. Up to this, clear or not?
Okay, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, now look. Now we have to multiply this one 5 into 1. This one too. Yes, 5 1 is 5. Then we have to add this carry forward digit. Usually in addition, we are adding this carry forward digit now. Yes, though.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
5 1 5 plus 1. Ultimately, it will be 6. Now it is clear, Zubair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now mute yourself. Now mute yourself. Yes. Okay, all of you complete this. This one, acha, again there is any, yes, this one again carry forward multiplication. 25 into 3. This one also, look at this. First ones place. 3 5s are 15. So 5 we will put here and 1 carry forward 15. Now this one. 2 3s are 6 plus this 1 7. Okay. Complete this page first. Now let me check those copy who have completed. Acha, how many have completed? Let me check. Rahat, Orkopriya, Ritosri, Ankush. Completed too? Okay, then show me your these 4 students. Rahat, Ritushree, Ankush Chandan Das and Orkopriya. Yes. Acha, good, Orkopriya. Acha, you have put the date. No, Ritushree, you have not put the date. Okay, just like here, put the date. Okay, 23rd of July 21 and write CW also. Every day I have to say this. All of you put the date over there. Orkopriya, very good. Just like Orkopriya, look. Acha. Now, yes, I have seen. Okay. Shwachatwa, Rabiul Islam, yes. Okay, I have seen. Next, Jinia Akhtar, Somriddho Roy, Afroz Ali, Fatia Sultana, Almasuddin, Aisha Rahman. Show me your book, the name I am calling. Atrei, Spondon Pal, Srijita Das, Kushan Mondol, Shamraj Vaishi, Kushan Shamraj. Show me your book. Beta, show me your book. Just keep the book in front of the camera. Yes. Good. Kushan, just look at Shamraj and look at Spondon. Kushan, just in this way, keep your book in front of the camera, Kushan. Kushan, you can't understand my words. Kushan, ক্যামেরার সামনে বইটা ধরো যেটা করেছো। Yes. So Kushan, you have not done anything. कुछ भी नहीं किए हो। Kushan, show me the book again. फिर से एक बार दिखाओ Kushan. Kushan, why have you not done anything? Kushan, I am showing you the answers though. Write the answer first. Look, these are the answers though. Kushan, I am showing you this in the screen. Kushan, screen দেখে আনসার গুলো লেখো বইয়েতে, ওকে? আচ্ছা, নেক্সট সৌগত, অথরিন একতাজ, আইমান কারণ, আলিয়া ইয়াসমিন. Show me your book first. Ayman not completed. Okay, complete it first then. Acha, Orindam Roy. At first complete, then show me the book. Ali, I have seen. Srijita, I have seen. Okay. Yes, Orindam, I have seen. Ayman first. Kushan and Ayman, complete it first. Acha, now you have completed this one. So all of you take out your copy. Take your copy first. Kushan completed. Kushan beta, show me your book. Good. Very good. Acha, now take out your copy. Kushan, khata now, okay? Okay, now let me. Ayman, Karan, Dhanto, I'll move for the next question. Okay, good. Okay, now let me share the whiteboard. All of you take out your All of you take out your copy first. Fast. Okay, now put today's date, okay, and write CW. Today's date, then write CW. Acha, now the first question. Write it, write the first question. 12 into 4. Second one, 17 into 3. Write it fast. You have to do this yourself, huh? Third one, 25 into 5. Fourth one, 16 into 6. Now fifth one, 78 into 4. First, you have to complete these 5 questions, okay? Write fast in your copy, okay? Okay, now let me start the explanation. I'll start. Okay, all of you, look at the board. Basically, same thing, na? Ones place and tens place, same thing. So look, 3 sevens are 21. 1 will be there and 2 is carry forward. Yes. Now 3 1 is 3 plus this 2. So it will be 5. So 17 into 3, that is equal to 51. Achha, I have done first 2, na? I skipped 1. Because you have to do 1 yourself, okay? Now the next one, number 3. Look, it is 5. It is also 5. 5 5s are what? 25, na? We have to put this 5 here and these 2 will be carry forwarded. Okay? Now 5 2s are 10 plus this 2. It will be 12. 125. Okay? No need to write this one. Complete this. Number 3. Then the fourth one. It is 6. It is also 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 will be there. Okay? And 3 will be carry forwarded. Now 6 1 is 6 plus this 3, it will be 9. 96. Complete this. Now this one, the fifth one. Look, it is 8, it is 4, right? 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. We have to take this 2 over there and 3 carry forward. Now look at this. Let me do it. 4 3s are 32. 3 carry forwarded digit. Now 4 7s are 28 plus this 3. Okay, that is 31. 312. Complete this fast. First one also I am doing, huh? Just check your answer. It is very much easy. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 1 is 4. Let me write it properly. Okay. Now those who have completed these 5 questions, they will show me their copy. Acha, raise your hand if you have completed. At first, send me that hand raise sticker if you have completed. 16 student. 17. Acha, okay. Now the name I am calling, they will show me their copy. हाँ, yes, Rahat, Orkopriya, Ritosri, Somriddho, Aisha, Almashuddin. Somriddho not done? Okay, at first complete it. Acha, next. Shadik Farhan, Shogoto, Atrei, Fatia, Sultana. Spondon, Otrin Ektas. Otrin Ektas, Shadik Farhan. Okay, Aisha, Alia, Yasmin, Jinia Akhtar, Srijita Das, Swachatoa, Juver Khan, Kushan Mandal. Okay. Next, Rabiul Islam, complete it fast. Ankush. Ankush. Show me your copy. Yes. Acha, Arindam Roy, Shamraj Vaisi, Afroz Ali. Shamraj, what are you doing? Ifra Sanjita, Ifra, why you joined late? Every day you joined late, huh? Acha, Arindam, Ifra, show me your copy first. Arindam, why are you sending this type of sticker? Okay. All of you completed too. Kushan, completed up to this? Show me your book. Okay. Achha, okay. Now next 5 question, huh? Now next one. Number 6th one. 24 into 5. Twenty-five into 4. Next 8. 23 into 4. Next 9. 14 into 7. Seven, this one, huh? Okay, next number 10, the last one. 34 into 2. Complete this one. Five question, you have only 4 minutes. Acha, 5 minutes I am giving you. After that, I'll explain all the question. Okay, time over. Now let me show you the solution. Look at this. It is 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 will be there. 2 will be carry forward digit. Now 5 2s are 10 plus this 2. 12. It is 120. Okay, complete it. Now the next one. This is 5. This is 4. 4 5s are again 20. 0 will be there. 2 carry forward digit. Now 4 2s are 8. This 4 and this 2. 4 2s are 8 plus this 2. 10. It is 100. Okay, now number 8 to 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 2, 1 carry forwarded. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Complete this 3 fast.